Children, let's learn some colors name. Red, purple, orange, black, brown, grey, yellow. I have so many colors to write. Brown, yellow, purple, red, blue, orange, pink, blue. This is dark blue. This one is light blue, light green and dark green. Now we are going to learn the alphabet. We'll write A, B, C using light green and pink. Let's start. The first letter of alphabet is A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. I'll change now. I'll be using pink. After N is O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Say once more. A. A for ant. B. B for balloon. C. C for cat. D. D for duck. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for giraffe. H. H for hen. I for igloo. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rat. S. S for sun. T. T for chalk. U. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.